If you own a cleaning business, I'm excited to tell you how the BookCleaningJobs CRM can help elevate your marketing and your sales. If you're still running things with pencil and paper or another app that simply doesn't work for you anymore, this all-in-one marketing system has everything you need to succeed. If you want more customers, if you want to keep your customers for longer, and if you want to scale your cleaning business, this is the same software that our clients at BookCleaningJobs are using to scale 6 and 7-figure cleaning businesses across the country. Inside the BookCleaningJobs CRM, you'll find tools to help capture leads like lead forms, chat widgets, landing pages, and website templates, to nurture your leads using automations with SMS and email marketing, and to book more jobs with online scheduling, payment collection, and even invoicing. I'm going to give you a quick run through of the features inside the BookCleaningJobs CRM, but if you want to try it for yourself, go to bookcleaningjobs.com/CRM and sign up for a free trial. When you first log in, you'll see a dashboard that gives you a quick overview of how your business is performing, including how many leads you've received, how much those leads are worth to you, and a bunch of other useful information. You can integrate Google Analytics, Google Ads, and Facebook ads, as well as your Google business profile if you want to import that data into your dashboard here. If you're using email marketing or SMS features, or even have your social media accounts connected and are receiving DMs, you can click on the conversations tab where you'll be able to see conversations between you and your customers. You have a calendar functionality where you can actually allow customers to schedule appointments with you. You can even create your own online booking portal and embed it directly onto your website. All of the contacts that you have for your cleaning business, everybody that you've served in the past, and all the leads you've received through your website will live right here in the contacts tab. The opportunities pipeline is one I want to show you though. This is something that you can use to actually improve your follow-up in your cleaning business. Every time you get a new lead through one of the forms or one of the chat widgets that we provide through this CRM, those new leads will show up right here in the sales pipeline in the new leads column. And you can move the leads from column to column. So anytime you contact somebody, you can move them to contacted. When you follow up with somebody, you can move them to followed up, appointment booked, appointment completed, and so on. And the great thing about this pipeline, there's two great things actually. One is that you can create automations off of this pipeline. So based on where people are in these different stages, for instance, you could have an automation that fires a set of emails once somebody books an appointment. Maybe those emails will explain when their appointment is going to be, what they need to do to prepare for their appointment, what kind of payment you take at your cleaning business, those types of things. You could automate a lot of that stuff based on the different stages of this pipeline. But the other great thing about this is, even if you don't get into the automations, you can just use this to improve your follow-up game by getting more serious about tracking your leads and whether or not you followed up with them. So I think that's super useful. There's also payments available. So if you want to integrate Stripe, you can start taking payments. You can send invoices. So you can use the full payment functionality here. There's a ton of marketing functionality. You can schedule posts to your social media channels, including Google Business Profile, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, and more. This is the automations tab I was telling you about. You can nerd out in here if you want to automate things in your cleaning business, but you don't have to use these features if you don't want to. Right now, we have a few features set up in here just to make sure that your leads get delivered to you, so that in case you're getting leads through one of the lead forms on your account here, then you should be getting lead notifications sent directly to you. But you can check out our YouTube channel. We have tutorials about how to build automations and how to use some of these more advanced features on our YouTube channel. There's also a sites functionality. So if you don't have a website yet, you could either build a funnel, which is like a landing page or a one-page website. You also have the option to build a website, and we have templates in here that you can choose from. So you don't have to build it all from scratch. You can just pick a template, drop in your logo, and update the information, and you're off to the races. If you have an existing website, you could actually use the forms functionality inside of the CRM, create a form like this one right here, and then you could embed this form on your website. So let's say you have a WordPress website and you really love your WordPress website. You could just create a form from inside of our CRM, create an embed code, and then go embed this form directly on your existing website. And then any lead you get through this form will get ported directly over here to your CRM. You'll get a new contact and you'll get a new lead right here in your new leads column. One more thing I want to show you while we're over here is the chat widget functionality. If you don't have a chat widget on your website, you definitely need one. It's like a little widget that pops up in the bottom corner of your site and asks, do you need help? Do you need a quote? You can customize this. You can use it to ask for different information like name, phone number, email address. What do you need cleaned? And again, you could drop this code onto your existing website, like your WordPress site. You could drop it onto a Google Tag Manager account to deploy it on your website. There's a bunch of ways you could do this, or you could take this chat widget and integrate it with any of the funnels or websites that are available inside of the CRM. Ton of functionality and a ton of flexibility here. I would highly recommend checking out those chat widgets though, because a lot of people get a lot of leads from those chat widgets. And if you want to get more leads from your website without making any other changes, the simplest thing I can recommend is just dropping one of those chat widgets on your site. There are some other functionalities in here that you could dig into, like reputation management. So if you want to see how many reviews you're getting and respond to those reviews, you can do that. There's even AI functionality in here. If you want to respond to the reviews automatically using AI, you could do that. There's actually AI agents that you could use for all kinds of different stuff. For a paid upgrade, you could get unlimited access to these AI agents that could answer the phones for you, take messages, send people booking links, respond to text messages, respond to Facebook and Instagram DMs. These AI agents are really incredible. It is a paid upgrade if you want to test out the AI features, though. There's also a reporting tab. So if you integrate Google Ads, Facebook ads, any of those channels, you can actually do custom reporting and see how well your ads are performing. There's even an app you could download from the Apple App Store or the Android App Store. Make sure you download it. It's called Lead Connector. So go search for this app and you can have access to your CRM when you're on the go. We have tutorials right here. If you click on this CRM tutorials link, it'll open a YouTube channel that will provide you with some videos to help you use this CRM. By the way, if you click on the settings tab, you can actually edit all of your business information, phone number, address, all of that important information. Scroll down here to the integrations tab and you'll see where you can actually connect your Google Ads account, Google Analytics, Facebook, even your Google Calendar. If you want to sync the calendar with your Google Calendar, you can do that. There are a bunch of other advanced features inside the settings tab, but I don't need to go over them for you today. If you're not using a CRM like this for your cleaning business, you certainly should be, because you're leaving a lot of money on the table if you're not following up with your customers effectively. And this will help you not only keep track of all your customers, but automate a lot of those follow-ups that you need to do. If you're already using a system like House Call Pro, you could even integrate those two systems together. Go check out our tutorials because I believe there's a tutorial there on how to do that integration. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this software helps your cleaning business. If you'd like to test drive this CRM for your cleaning business, go to bookcleaningjobs.com/CRM and sign up for a free trial.